Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about central processing unit CPU. So further we start our video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel below and also press the bell icon for more informative videos. So let's start. What is central processing unit? The CPU provides a circuit that implement the computer instruction sets in machine language. It is composed of an algorithm, logic unit ALU, and control circuit. The ALU carries out basic arithmetic and logic operation, and the control section determines the sequence of operation, include branch instruction that transfer control from one part of a program to another. Although the main memory was once considered part of the CPU, today it is regarded as separate. The boundaries shift. However, the CPU chips now also contain some high-speed cache memory where data and instructions are temporarily stored for fast access. The ALU has circuits that add, subtract, multiply, and divide to arithmetic values, as well as circuits for a logic operation such as AND or where is one is interrupted as true and AO has false, so that for instance 1 and O is equal to O. See Boolean algebra. The ALU has several to more than 100 registers that temporarily hold the result of its computations for further arithmetic operation or for transfer to main memory. The circuit in the CPU's control section provide branch instructions which make elementary decision about which instruction to execute next. For example, a branch instruction might be, if the result of a last ALU operations is negative, jump to allocate A in the program, otherwise continue with the following instruction. Such interruption allow if then else decision in a program, an extension of a sequence of instructions such as a while loop that repeatedly does some set of instructions while some condition is met. A related instruction in the subroutine called this transfer execution to a subprogram, and then after the subprogram finishes, return to the main program where it left off. In a stored program, computer program and data is memory are indistinguishable. Both are bit pattern string or O's, and one as that may be interrupted either as data or as program instructions, as both are fetched from memory by the CPU. The CPU has a program counter that held and memory address located of the next instruction to be executed. The basic operation of the CPU is the fetch, decode, execute cycle. Fetch the instruction from the address held in the program counter and store the register. Decode the instruction part of the specify and operation of be done, and part specify the data on which is to the operate. These may be CPU registered or in memory locations. If the branch instruction part of it will contain the memory address of the next instruction to execute. Once of the branch condition is satisfied, fetch the operand and execute the operations if the ALU operate. Store the result in a register in a memory. If there is one update and program contained to hold the next instruction located, which is either the next memory located of the address specified by the branch instruction. At the end of these steps of cycle is ready to repeat and continue until the special halt instruction stop execution step of this cycle are the internal CPU operation and regulated by the clock that oscillates on the high frequency, now typically measured in the gigahertz, and the cycle per second. So guys, this is our today video. In this video we discuss about CPU center processing. If you like this video, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel, comment below, and also press the bell icon for more informative videos.